barbecue herbed potatoes. That's what we're doing today. One of my favorite things. So if you are like our family, you have that barbecue going all year long, winter, summer, fall, spring, it doesn't matter. So that's what we're doing today. We're doing barbecue herb potatoes no matter what the season. Very simple, easy peasy. I want you to come along with me and let's do it together. So this is very easy. Easy. You're going to take 4 or 5 nice large potatoes and just slice them like this. And you're going to put them in a bowl. Then you're going to slice 1 large onion into rings like this. Just slice it up. Add that to the bowl with the potatoes. 1/4 cup of olive oil into the bowl. Beautiful virgin olive oil. Some salt. Some pepper. A tablespoon of garlic powder. And if you don't have garlic powder, use garlic salt, and you can just omit some salt in there. 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. 1 teaspoon of rosemary. 1 teaspoon of thyme. We're going to mix that all together in the bowl. A nice big piece of foil wrap. And always put your food to the non-shiny side, not the shiny. Lay some parchment paper on top of the foil. Then you're going to put this beautiful mixture inside like this. I'm going to drizzle 1/8 cup on here. So that's 1/2 1/4 cup. So 1/8 cup is 1/2 1/4 cup. Drizzle it on there. And then you're just going to wrap this up nicely. Now sometimes I can see that I'll need 2 pieces of foil because the foil I'm using isn't wide enough. So I'll take another piece and put it on top. And then I just fold up the edges. You can see I've folded all the edges, and then I take another foil wrap, and you can see I've folded the edges this way. So I'm just going to put this on here and fold it this way now. Flip it over and seal the edges on this side. That just kind of, you know, when you're turning it, because I kind of flip it over every 15 minutes or so on the barbecue, and that'll just keep your package from all falling apart. So you're going to put this on the barbecue for about 1/2 hour, 45 minutes, between low and medium, and sometimes I'll open up the wrap, or I don't even open it. I'll just put a fork in there and see when it gets tender. Let's take a peek at these nice potatoes. Oh, look at this, Dustin. Look at that.
Oh, we're spoiled.
Those are awesome. One of my favorite things.
Fantastic.
Roasted potatoes on the barbecue. Awesome. So barbecue herbed potatoes, a beautiful accompaniment to whatever you're making for supper. Or if you're like myself, I could eat them just like that without anything else for supper, right? They are awesome. And you have a great day.